And I've been living fast life, but I see it in slow. Oh no, and you see my lifestyle, I got G's in the turbo. See many people there outside where they feed man's oboe. Oh no, and me I stand the defender like Joseph Yobo. But girl say she want Netflix and chill, yeah. So I chatty get even warning. If you fall in love, girl is satin. You go to breakfast, I'm not capping. Can you see dripple, I'm not catching. I'm not faking this, no fugazi. You see these feelings, I'm not catching. I'm a quest and feet, I just want it.
Happiness. If I broke, now my business. I'ma show you, you go right. All I care for the night. Happiness. If I broke, now my business. I'ma show you, you go right. All I care for the night.
FNESSC, if it be the reason why your baba want to jealous me. If you want to take I'm serious, I do top speed. No fit to resonate, I'm on a different frequency. I don't think it's necessary. I be done with somebody that could do like me. When I be like Musala coming off the right wing, I cut to your defender, you no need to tell me. I'm a horse, finesse. And you know say me, I'm a snake. Now you can let I go carry go. If me I got money past you, if you're not careful, finesse. You know say me I'm a snake. Like okay, I go carry go. If me I got money past you, if you're not careful,
finesse. If I broke now my business, I'ma show you, you go right. All I care for the night. Finesse. If I broke now my business, all I show you, you go right. All I care for the night. If I broke now my business, I'ma show you, you go right. All I care for the night. Happiness. If I broke now my business, I'ma show you, you go right. All I care for the night.
To the makula yo, ma fẹjọ́ mi sùn wọ́n, ma fẹjọ́ mi sùn wọ́n. London.
Another banger. Yeah. Sexy love, what she need from a bad boy like me. Yeah. Sexy kiss is the thing that she ain't for my lips. Yeah. My sex herself is the only air that she breathes. And when I look into her eyes, I know that she can never get enough of me. Your body high me like lean. When we do it, skin to skin. And as the rush they increase, I feel the drip in your V. Shorty say she feeling so. She grab my neck and she whisper please. Shorty give me that splash from my chest to my knees. Yeah. Shorty got a lot in her bucket list. I give her number one, she need a bucket quick. And when we done, she feel me like a majesty. Grip. Round two, quick. Round three, pelebe. Next day we go do one for your place. Make sure that your daddy is known. Make sure that your mommy is known. Switch off that television. Netflix know what I came here for. Shorty better shut your door, cause I know one disturb me boy. Shorty like it when I drill a hole. When I finish I go.
All right. Good morning. Good morning. I hope everybody had an amazing weekend, as I did. And of course, let me say thank you. If anybody pulled up, thank you.
Could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with me.
I really appreciate it. All right, and we are here. It's already 9:30. Can't even press the bell. It's 9:31. Market's already open. Let's get into Forex Factory. FOMC member Colin speaks, but it's a yellow folder, so shouldn't affect the market too much. All right, so not too much news today. All right. Of course, let's get into the charts. It's a new week, so let's have some new support resistances. We're breaking the lows so far from previous monthly candles. We haven't broken the low overall, but we have broken the body of previous candles, so we could keep going down. It's only 2 weeks left, or it's only like a week left of the month, right? Yeah. So we'll have to see what happens. So it's Monday. Based on the weekly, we are on this 200 SMA. So that's telling me that we should bounce back up. We should bounce back up this week. So that's giving me a bullish bias so far. 200 SMA, we're going to reject, pull up before we end up coming down eventually. So let's look for some buys. Yeah, this is going to be good. A good day for some buys. We're already pushing up so far with market open. All right, look at the 4 hours, filling that wick to the left. We're going to have to set some daily targets because, all right, let's see. This will be our overall target. This will be our overall target today. I believe we should fill the wick from the previous day. All right. This will be overall. Let's keep going down. All right. So we're pushing up. We filled the wick already. Pushing up. From where price is now to the overall target is about 175 points. 4 hour. Okay. Make this target 1. And this will be target 2. All right, so today we have a pretty easy day. Let's look at the 30. All right, as soon as we open, we pushed up about 37 points. This is good. I like what's happening today. Today should be very easy. All right, on the 15, we do have this 200 SMA that we will reject. That's why we're pulling back a little bit, I see. But that's why we, again, wait for closures. 4 hours probably going to close. We've broken the high. We'll get a closure. Next 4 hour, we'll get a bottom wick, and then we'll be able to get in. This bottom wick was 20 points. So overall analysis, what I would say is once the new 4 hour candle opens at 10, we will hope for a bottom wick, but my problem is I don't think we will get a big bottom wick. So I might enter early, or we're going to figure it out. We're going to try to adjust as it goes, but I want to make sure we get an entry regardless of if the bottom wick is big enough. So I'll probably have just a standard 25-point stop loss. And as soon as the 10 o'clock candle opens, we'll enter in some buys, because this is a lot of volume pushing us up. So we want to grab all this, and I don't want to miss if we can get a runner. That would be great. So here we are now, touching that 200 SMA on the 15-minute, and we'll probably pull back a little bit. So for now, we wait. Let's go and look at some other charts. All right, gold. Gold is not doing too much. Yeah. Gold seems a bit stagnant today. See Bitcoin. Bitcoin's back at 19,200. Now this is the 1 hour. We're at the 200 SMA. Keep talking about this thing, man. 4 hours pushing up. Even this right here, though. This is a wedge. So once this breaks out, again, keep talking about this 14,000 number. So just keep that in mind. Just keep looking. Let's keep going. GPJPY is bouncing back up. Could look for some buys. Today looks like a clean day for all charts. GBP USD. This would be a good buy right here, where we got a bottom wick. Made some lows. We're respecting. And we're recovering from last night. I guess this was, or yesterday. This big drop. The Dow is pushing up as well. All right. Got 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, we'll get a new 15-minute candle. I'm just hoping we don't hit targets before 10 o'clock. We'll see. Let's keep our fingers crossed. but everything is still valid. Buys are valid. You have a bullish bias, and we have a lot of range going up. So all we need is a good entry. This is good though, because we're filling the void, we're pushing up, but definitely at some point we should pull back for sure. And when we pull back, we should be able to, we would be getting a wick at that point. And when we get a wick, similar to this previous 4 hour, if we can get a wick, we should be able to fill the wick, right? So that's what we're overall looking for. All right, 2 minutes. Should get a new 15-minute candle. Say this all the time. 200 SMA is always a good place. You can get 5-6 points really fast. Sometimes 10, you know what I mean? Sometimes you get a really big pushback, but it's always a good place to get a good trade. I said before, I'm going to look into trying to trade 200 SMA more often. Or not even more often. I don't do it on stream, but I'm going to start doing it on stream. This is always a rejection. Look at this 20-point rejection. That's all you would need. And that's not to say that we're not still going to push up and hit all these targets. It's just that 200 SMA is an exhaustion area. So they usually pull back, grab some liquidity, and then keep pushing in whichever direction. So this is new 15-minute. It's creating a bottom wick. We wanted to create a bottom wick, push up. Now, even if we hit the targets, we'll probably pull back, and that'll give us a wick on the 4-hour time frame. That's what we will be looking for. My boy, Wazgoo. Wazgoo. We're definitely looking for some trades today. Today's an amazing day. Pretty sure we're going to get a W. Everything looks clean. Everything looks clean. Everything looks clean today. Should get a good trade. Hopefully, we'll get a trade with some runners. We'll be up. Got about 12 more minutes. 12 minutes. Get a new hourly candle. And we'll be in. We still got a long way to go. So if we were to close right where we are now, this would be great. We're probably gonna pull back, most likely. I'm pretty sure. So that's why we wait. That's why we be patient. Don't force it. Just gotta be patient. All right, give me 1 second. I'm gonna be right back. All right, we are back. We're damn near about to hit all the first target. It's great. All right, First target. Oh, almost. Almost. Not hit yet. Still got 8 more minutes. 8 more minutes. All right, first target hit. At the end of the day, still, and I say this over and over, even if we're not in a trade, it's still good, like a moral boost to know my analysis is correct and I know what the market's about to do. Whether you're in a trade or not, that's still adding value to yourself, right? I read the market correctly. I knew it was gonna hit target 1. Now let me look back and figure out where could I have found a good entry, maybe, or an earlier entry, right? It's just the way I trade. I like to wait till 10 o'clock. You know what I mean? But to each his own. There's no wrong way. And that's the thing, by the way. I'm still expecting a pullback, right? I'm still expecting for us to have a top wick. And then when the 10 o'clock candle opens, we're going to get a bottom wick. So, although we already hit the target, it doesn't mean that we're going to close above the target. So, we'll wait and see. Let's wait and see. Hopefully, the market isn't too volatile. And then 10 o'clock candle opens up with no bottom wick. Because if that happens, then won't be an entry until 10:15. 10:15. So we need a bit of a bottom wick. And then we'll definitely find some entries. We're coming up on the last 5 minutes of this candle. It's good that we broke this high to the left too. We did break the high. So that's a good indication that we're going to continue going up. All right. It's the last 5 minute candle. See what happens. Allergies. I'm not sick. It's just my allergies been going crazy. I don't know why. I used to think it was just spring. My allergies would act up, but it's fall too. It's nuts. Sorry about that. right, we got 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes, we're going to get a new candle. All right, this is good. I like this. Getting a little bit of that pullback. All right, yeah. Man. All right. Man. Sorry. It's bad TV. All right, 1 more minute. We're going to get a new candle. We're going to start looking for an entry, okay? Just be ready. Ooh, pushing. Come on, pull back. Pull back and give us a bottom wick. Let's see a bottom wick. Got 15 seconds. We're going to start looking for entries, guys. Again, remember, we need a bottom wick. Then we will find an entry. So we're pushing today, man. Sheesh. We are pushing today. Damn. This is exactly what we did not want, guys. This is exactly what we did not want. We know we're pushing. We have our targets, but we want a bottom wick to collect some liquidity before we have an entry. But price is pushing today. Price is pushing. This will be hard. Man. But this is also why you go over your trades. You know, you go over, you look back. There's always a way to find out, okay, how could I have gotten in with all this, right? How can I adjust my strategy where I could have taken all these points, you know? That's how you become a better trader. We didn't miss anything because we didn't get any bottom wicks. And unfortunately, we'll have to wait till 10:15. But yeah, it's all good. It's all good. There's no bottom wick at all. We just pushed, surged up. I think now we might be creating that bottom wick. Excuse me. Excuse me. Yeah, here comes our bottom wick. And although we did break up and we're coming down, I don't think we're bearish. You know, I don't think we're going to come down and fill this previous candle. No. We're going to come down, create a bottom wick, hopefully. Could be anywhere to about 60, 70 points. But this will be good. Let's just wait. Let's be patient. And the next 15-minute candle, hopefully, get a bottom wick. And then it'll push us up to the rest of our targets for the next hour, hopefully. That's what we're looking for. This is amazing. This is great. This is great what's happening here. This is a 5-minute chart. About to get a new 5-minute candle. See what it looks like. I still want more of a bottom wick. Yeah, come on. Let's go. Let's go. Hoping this 15 doesn't just push us. This next 15 will get us, hopefully drive us all the way up. And we still have a lot of range, guys. Let's adjust this. Its targets are changed. We hit target 1 already, right? Could get rid of that. Don't need our resistance line. Let's just clean this up. About 7 minutes left. 7 minutes. Get a new 15. We'll find some entries. We'll find some entries. Five more minutes. All right. I like. All right. Good bottom wick. This is great. This is a much better bottom wick. Now hopefully the next 15 will simply push us up. Okay. Bouncing off 200 SMA. Normal occurrence. Respecting it. Hopefully here we get this push. Got 2 minutes left. 2 minutes. Gonna get a new 15. Hopefully get some good entries. I'm almost partial to saying, regardless of the 15, we could just have a buy stop at the break of the high. That would leave us with a 60-point stop loss. So no, that's just the only other thing. Just one more minute. One more minute. One more minute. All right, let's get this new 15. Get a bottom wick. We'll find an entry. Let's get a bottom wick first. Nothing is moving in our favor today. Again, like I said before, though, I am kind of still partial to maybe break at a high, buy stop. If you want to enter that, you know, it's pretty big of a stop loss if you have that. But it's still valid. I still think we're going to hit all these targets. Now it's just a matter of finding the entry. That's really all it is. Man, we're pushing today. We are pushing today. But this is good learning opportunity, right? This, like I said before, when you see the market moving in such a fast pace, look at all this we've been doing since 2 a.m. 215 points, right? Gonna slap all targets pretty much. You just got to work on finding good entries. That's all it is. Work on finding good entries. Target 2 slapped. See, again, I keep saying that, man. You don't have to follow me precisely, but if you wanted to get in, you could have got a good, you know what I mean, 60, 70, 80 points today, right? We already called out the market. We had market analysis, just like every other day. Some days are not as clean as today is, you know, but today was perfect. Like, everything is just pushing. Problem is we didn't get any bottom wicks. This here happened, but we created the top wick first, so that was invalid. And then look at this 15-minute candle, no bottom wick. So we're basically going to be waiting for the 30-minute candle. And similar to the previous, like I said with the previous, I forgot what it was. Maybe it was around like 10 o'clock. Although we already hit the target, we could still pull back, get the new 30-minute candle, and then we'll fill the wick going up, right? So we still have opportunity for entries. We still have opportunity. Just got to be patient. So we got 12 minutes. Wait till we get a new 30-minute candle. And, yeah, it should drive us all the way up, I'm sure. About 70 points, hopefully. Let's just see what happens. Let's see. $10.30, we trading. 10.30. 10.30. 10.30. Maybe what I could start doing is involving the 5-minute chart also to our trading strategy. Because we know we're going up, right? This is the 10-10 candle at 5-minute 10-10 candle. Maybe we could use this bottom wick, right? To start looking for entries. Instead of the 15 and the 30, maybe we could start using the 5. I mean, there's no wrong way to trade. There's no wrong way to trade. So we will start fooling around with some stuff. Fire, 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 fire. More fire. Let's look at some other charts. We got 9 minutes. Gold is coming up. What looks like could be happening with gold. Talked about this pattern before. Inverse head and shoulders. Inverse head and shoulders. Will probably come down one more time. This here is the neckline, right? Probably come down, come back here once more, and then we'll fill this range here. It's 246 pips. All right? So look out for that if you want to look for some gold buys. Set some alerts. Okay. And it's not always right. Inverse head and shoulders, it's not 100% accurate all the time, but it is one of your confluences that you can use to help you decide if it will happen. I think it will happen for sure, though, honestly. But anywho, let's keep going. Bitcoin, we're still in this little wedge, right? Talked about that. There you go. Dow was bearish at one point. Same like NASDAQ, we're pushing up. All right. Just being patient here. We're pushing P. We should be able to get in on this next 30-minute candle. You guys excited? Everybody's excited? Let's get it. Let's just hope it drives us up, man. Let's hope it drives us up and we don't hit BE. Let's get some runners today. Be a good way to start the week. Last week we only took 2 trades. Yeah, 2 trades. But one was a runner. That was on Monday. And then Friday we took a loss, unfortunately. I think it was like maybe 20 points. Not too bad. It was an amazing week. A lot of volume. NFP and we didn't setups. It was too much volatility. But we'll plan better for next month. That's the beauty of the market, man. Even if you miss opportunities, there's always more opportunities. Like, I hate hearing traders that's like, shout out to my boy Sid. He's always talking about if he misses what he be talking about when he misses shit. And thing is, it's 24/7, man. You could trade all day. It just so happens I trade 9:30 to 11, but all day there are setups. And is this another opportunity to look for another opportunity? We got 5 more minutes left. 5 minutes, we're gonna get a new 30-minute candle. All we're waiting for is a bottom wick. That's all we need. That is literally all we need. Previous 30-minute candle had a bottom wick of 36 points. We don't need a wick to be that big, but that would be good. 35, 36 point bottom wick, and then drive us all the way up. We'll see. Let's see how we close. Let's see how we close. Let's see. I think we're gonna get in. I think we will. I think we'll get in today. So far, our record is 60%. With a win, it would be 64%. Let's try to get to 64% today. Two more minutes. 2 minutes, we'll be looking for entry. We'll be out of here, honestly. But if we do, I'll chill till 11, or whenever we hit all targets and or break even. You know what I mean? But yeah, if no entry, I'm done. I gotta go eat. Gotta get some fuel in me. One more minute. One more minute. Let's get it. Come on. Set some. Let's make this the target. This is a good close right here. All right, guys, we're gonna be looking for some entries. Okay, let's just get a bottom wick. Let's get a little bit more of a bottom wick. Come on, come on, come on. At least a 10-point bottom wick. 6. All right, guys. All right, this is perfect. So we're gonna have buy stops. 11,463. All right, this is great. We have a 20. I would say let's have stop loss. $11,433. That's a 30-point stop loss. All right, let's get it. Let's go. This is perfect. All right. I like this. I like this setup for us today. Should be primed for some runners, hopefully. 30 points, roughly, till target 1. We've got 73 to target 2. Let's just keep fingers crossed. Move our stop loss to BE. And we'll just push up. All right. I like this. I like this. 20-point bottom wick. Right. It's like we got a bigger stop loss now. 30. Whoa. $35 stop loss. And as usual, still too, if we get further, we go to about 40, 50 points. Might delete the buy stops, guys. But we're still valid. Probably have it for 11,425 to be safe. Stop loss 11,425 is about 38 points. I'll be right back. Give me 1 second. All right, we're back. It's not looking good. It's not looking good. Can we get an entry before 11? Will it happen? Just being patient. Patience, 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 guys. Patience. You have a valid trade. You have a valid stop loss. You have a valid target. Breaking highs. Everything is pretty valid. Just be patient. If it gets closer towards 11 and we don't get an entry, yeah, I'll be looking to remove. It's like we're creating steeper lows. Have to set a 40-point stop loss now. Yeah, we might have to delete. Might have to delete these buy stops, guys. Yeah, buy stops are deleted, guys. Stops are way too big. I do still think trade is valid. It's just stops are too big. Too big for me. Yeah. I still do think at some point we will still pull back. I guess it's just not now. It'll probably be 11 because this is based off the 4-hour time frame, right? So we have a bottom wick for the 4-hour. We've been bullish overall. So yeah, we're just not making that push right now. All right, so honestly, there's no trade. No trade today, unfortunately. Unfortunately, we're going to call it a day. No trade day, and it's all good. We've said this before. Not losing is just as good as winning, right? And we had a learning opportunity. We got to see how the market's moving. If you look back, go back, try to find out where you could have found an entry. You feel me? Look at the 5-minute chart. Look at the 15. Look at the 30. Look at maybe 8:30. You should have got up and, like, there's no wrong way to trade. Say this all the time, but it is what it is. We're gonna call it a day, and And watch this thing flip soon as I get off stream. But anywho, stay away from over trading. Everybody be blessed. Go work out. That's exactly what I'm about to do. And have an amazing day. Peace.
Go outside. Big time forward. Yeah.
Starboy there, so. Came into the game, no one replace me. Me love my NAS100 straight with no chaser. All of my guys know me all about me paper. Me got me girls all around me, me no chaser. Yeah, Starboy call me number one. When me tune drop, the girls they bounce along. Me don't let nothing come between me and me paper. So when me come in at the place, me undertaker. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, come closer. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, come closer. Big number one in my city, yo. Me steady representing for me city, yo. African boy, me rep my thing, yo. Me come clean like me coming on me video. Me come through like a soldier. She give me tea and she pleasing my rosa. She got the keys to my Porsche and my Rover. We in Miami living la vida loca. Yeah, yeah, you got the teen, I know. You got the body, I know. You make me sing, I know. You make me sing, I know. Yeah, yeah, you got the teen, I know. You got the body, I know. You make me sing, I know. You make me sing, I know. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, come closer. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, come closer.
To mix up in drama, to go outside. To mix up in drama, to free my mind. Jealous people around me, I need to change my life. I just turn colder every time I try. What would I do without you, my Georgie? I don't feel that way with anybody. Tell me your secrets, I'm not messy. Steady it for me, girl, hold steady. I wanna put you in my life. Your hair smell like the tropics, your body look nice. One fuck can't hold me, we gotta go twice. I'm here for you, just tell me what you like. I wanna put you in my life.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, come closer.
Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it, but go on with it.
Yo, Izzy, are you kidding me?
To us, yeah. So we are coming with a force, yeah. Blessings we are reap and we coursing on full. Oh, in a rise and